I found another app
Another one.
that can make you some cash. Brace yourself for this one. I found an app that matches you with jobs that can bring in some paper in your pockets. Now for this one, you don't need a resume nor interviews.
What?
That's right. I said it. No resume or interviews. They are making getting work even simpler. Finding and accepting jobs wherever and whenever you want to work just got so much easier. They also have clear job descriptions with a chance to level up your skills. You can even see jobs you've worked, money earned, and reliable stats. You can make money with them in over 100 cities like New York City, Atlanta, and Philly. This app sounds too good to be true, right?
It does.
It's real though. This app is called Winola. It's available on both Apple or Android. Now I told you, you don't need no resume or an interview. But to get hired, you only need 3 things. Be 18 years or older, have a valid social security number or your business EIN, and have access to a smartphone to clock in and out of your job. That's it. There are a bunch of different job types you can find there, such as warehouse operations, food production, event staffing, washing and cleaning, as well as others. In terms of payments, all payments are made through the Winola app. You can choose whether you want to be paid directly into a bank account or debit card when onboarding. Winolas are paid per shift and generally receive payments 1 to 5 business days after a job is completed. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that could turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try this awesome app. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.